So, how do leaders balance vulnerability and authority when they speak?
So, all the great leaders I have had the fortune to work with when I was in the corporate world and now when I'm coaching, one thing is in common. They don't hide their scars, they show how they healed. And that way, also, it's in a way sharing, leading by example. So, vulnerability, when used wisely, is not weakness. I would say it's a bridge. Now, of course, you don't have to overshare, but you can always humanize. So, you can always say, as I mentioned previously, I don't have all the answers, but here's what I do know. That signals strength and sincerity. So, and that's again a limiting belief that most of the clients who, when they start working with me, one of the common limiting belief they have is like, okay, if I show that I don't know, if I show my vulnerable face, if I show my insecurity, I'm going to lose my stature. Now, that is a case of another era. In the age of AI, it's vulnerability which shows others that we are human. So I've always coached senior leaders, including CXOs, who thought being open would make them lose respect. But they have found that once they started telling real stories, failures, lessons, personal challenges, they became more respected and not less. So I gave you my own example when you asked me that previous question. I gave you an example. How was I before when I started my career? And throughout, my coaching sessions, my speaking sessions, whenever I have sessions like this, such that I'm having with you, I have found that it's my vulnerability when I tell them, hey, once upon a time I was scared to speak on a public speaking forum, and now I am a three-time TEDx speaker. It's because I show my vulnerability that people trust me more. They get that confidence. If she can do it, so can they. And in one case, a client shared how she overcame burnout in a town hall with her in the team of leaders, and the result, her team felt safe to speak up even about the challenges they are facing. The productivity rose in the team. So I would say vulnerability does not erode authority. It in fact enhances it. So of course you can't share everything. There's always a fine line, but you can't always try to act like a Mr. or Miss Perfect all the time. That also won't cut ice.
Yeah, right.